Alright, this is my bike check. Alright, I'm running 5 bikes Lego, 2 frame with a 21 inch top tube. It's a pretty great frame. I like it. I like it a lot. It's pretty good for street, in my opinion. I like it. I painted it myself. Anyway, get on to it. I have Verde Cartel forks. Verde Cartel 2 forks. They're pretty great. They come with a lifetime warranty. I like them. I have a really old, or it's pretty old, Shadow Conspiracy stem. 50 millimeter. I have McNeil XLT bars, 8-inch rise. I have an animal seat. Stolen SIC seat post. It doesn't have to have a seat post clamp bolt to hold it in. I have Profile limited edition cranks, 175 length. I love them a lot. I like those. They've lasted me a while. Usually other cranks, so they usually end up breaking on me. I'm running Mission pedals, purple spindle. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, there it is. I like them. I like the purple color. They're pretty sturdy. They've lasted me for a while now. I'm running Odyssey Atkin tires. They're pretty grippy. I like them a lot. They're pretty great for street. I'm running, get onto it. My bottom brackets, I'm running Profile bottom brackets. My headset bearings, I'm running, what are they? Here, I'll show you. Impact, FSA impact bearings for about $30, $29.99. They're pretty great. My front wheel, I'm running Odyssey Hazard Light V2. My rear wheel, it's Odyssey Hazard Light also. It's just a different color. It's a V3 cassette hub. And to get on to other stuff, as you can see, I'm running ODI grips. I'm probably getting ready to need some new ones. These are getting ready to die, especially my right one. Yeah, my inner tube's busted. Shit. Anyway, fix that later. I'm running the Kink Bedlam sprocket. It's a pretty thick and sturdy sprocket. I grind a lot, so that's what I need. Something that's gonna hold up. I love grinds, actually. Pretty fun. I just like them. Anyway, get on to it. I'm running a KMC chain. It's stretch proof. That's the only thing. I just looked down in the thing, saw it's stretch proof. That's all I was really worried about, and I was like, heck yeah, I need that. Yeah, I'm running Primo. I have a Primo hub guard, and I have Stolen plastic pedals, $9.99. They're pretty slick, actually. They just wear down real easily. And in the front, I'm running a Primo hub guard. Yeah, I believe so. I believe that's what it is. I've had this stuff so long, it's held up so long. Also, it's also another reason it's like that. Well, that's pretty much it. Well, hope you liked it.